Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on an insightful journey through the transformative arena of artificial intelligence, spotlighting the top 10 AI tools that are revolutionizing businesses in 2023. These tools are not just a glimpse into the future, but a testament to the boundless potential of AI in reshaping the business landscape. Number 1. GetResponse. GetResponse is a remarkable platform that is fundamental for digital entrepreneurs. Picture a local apparel store owner, Jack, dreaming of extending his market reach beyond the local community. GetResponse serves as his digital cornerstone, providing a user-friendly AI-driven website builder. With a few interactive steps, Jack now owns a professional, sleek website, a digital storefront that welcomes customers from all over the globe. But the magic doesn't end here. GetResponse's AI marketing software is a wizard in customer engagement. It smartly analyzes customer preferences, recommending them the perfect pair of jeans or a stylish hat, enhancing customer satisfaction and driving sales. The AI-generated emails keep the conversation going, informing customers about the latest collection, special discounts, and much more. For Jack, GetResponse is more than a tool, it's a digital companion nurturing his global business dreams. Transitioning to the realm of recruitment, we stumble upon the next tool. Number 2. Breezy HR. In a world where the right talent can propel a business to new heights, Breezy HR emerges as a quintessential ally for hiring managers. Picture a bustling startup, InnovateX, on a quest to find the perfect candidates to join their creative squad. The hiring manager, Lily, is inundated with a deluge of resumes. Breezy HR, with its AI prowess, automates the screening process, sifting through the resumes to find the gems that match the job requirements. It doesn't stop there, it goes the extra mile by posting job openings across over 50 job sites with a single click, casting a wide net in the talent ocean. Furthermore, crafting a captivating career page to reflect InnovateX's vibrant culture becomes a breeze with Breezy HR. It's not just about hiring, it's about creating a community that resonates with the organizational ethos. As we sail into the advertising domain, there comes another extremely valuable AI tool. Number 3. AdCreative. In a digital world saturated with advertisements, standing out is the key. AdCreative.ai is the creative companion for brands striving to carve a niche. Take the case of EcoEarth, a brand promoting eco-friendly products. They are on a mission to create ad campaigns that not only inform but inspire a change. AdCreative.ai, with its AI-driven analysis of past successful eco-centric campaigns, crafts compelling ads that resonate with the environmentally conscious audience. It's about weaving a narrative that transcends the digital noise, connecting with the audience on a personal level, and driving a movement towards a greener Earth. Onward to the bustling sphere of project management. Number 4. Taskade. In the modern corporate jungle, project managers are the navigators steering projects towards successful shores. Taskade is the compass they need. Imagine a dynamic digital agency, pixel perfect, managing a myriad of projects from website development to digital marketing campaigns. Taskade becomes their central hub, a digital canvas where tasks, deadlines, and ideas coalesce into a structured workflow. The AI assistant is like a virtual brainstorming buddy, generating ideas, organizing tasks, and ensuring a smooth sail from concept to delivery. Every project becomes a collaborative adventure with Taskade, ensuring a seamless flow of creativity and execution. Now, let's delve into the realm of content creation. Number 5. ChatGPT. In an age where content is king, creating engaging and insightful content is the crown jewel for digital creators. Take the case of Emma, a passionate blogger covering the wellness landscape. ChatGPT becomes her virtual editorial assistant, providing a plethora of content ideas, proofreading articles, and even offering insightful data analysis for her pieces. It's like having a co-editor, ensuring Emma's content is not only engaging but also informative and insightful, nurturing a community of wellness enthusiasts. Number 6. Claude 2. Imagine a digital magazine, Trend Talk, striving to keep their readers engaged with long-form articles. Claude 2 is their go-to editor, meticulously analyzing each piece, offering invaluable copywriting suggestions to enhance readability and engagement. It's about transforming long reads into captivating narratives that keep the readers hooked from start to finish. Number 7. MidJourney. Visuals speak louder than words, and MidJourney is the voice for brands striving to create a visual impact. Picture a budding influencer, Zoe, aiming to captivate her audience with stunning images. MidJourney is her AI-powered visual artist, generating high-quality images and thumbnails that echo her brand's ethos. It's a digital canvas where Zoe's creative vision comes to life, attracting more eyeballs and engaging her growing follower base. Every thumbnail generated by MidJourney is a visual invitation, enticing viewers to explore her content. Number 8. Adobe Photoshop Generative Fill. Imagine a graphic designer, Liam, tasked with creating vibrant social media posts for his clients. The Generative Fill feature in Adobe Photoshop is his magic wand, expanding and enhancing images to match the creative vision, transforming ordinary images into extraordinary visual stories. Every post crafted with this tool is not just a visual delight but a narrative that resonates with the audience, making the brand memorable in the crowded digital space. These AI tools are not mere digital assets. They are catalysts propelling businesses into a realm of enhanced efficiency, innovation, and global impact. They are the companions of modern entrepreneurs, innovators, and creators, ensuring a journey marked by growth, success, and technological prowess. As we embrace the AI era, these tools are our allies, ensuring a journey marked by boundless innovation and success. And with this, we conclude our exploration of these technological marvels shaping our tomorrow. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more. Have a great day and we'll see you in another video.